Your backyard landscaping should be an extension of what's going on inside your home. Often, regardless of your indoor style, your backyard ends up looking more colorful, casual, and fun. The possibilities are only limited by the training, your design skills, and your do-it-yourself landscaping know. You can always hire a landscape designer or architects to help your outdoor space rely in professional. A skilled professional can guide you through the process of figuring out a style, deciding you will be using the yard, creating zone of activity, choosing material and plants, and recommending builders and contractors for everything from swimming pools to outdoor structure to installing irrigations.